Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Gain Fitness app. Gain Fitness, a comprehensive app review and usage experience. Are you looking to elevate your fitness journey? Look no further than Gain Fitness. This impressive app caters to everyone from fitness newbies to seasoned pros, making it a standout choice in the crowded fitness app market. I've compiled my experiences with the app to give you a thorough overview. Gain Fitness core strength lies in its personalized workout plans. The app's intelligent algorithm tailors workouts to your specific fitness level, goals, and schedule. This dynamic adaptation ensures consistent progress and prevents plateaus, constantly challenging you to reach new heights. Whether your focus is strength training, cardio, flexibility, or even specialized sports training, Gain Fitness has a plan for you. The app's expansive exercise library is another major plus. With hundreds of professionally demonstrated exercises, complete with clear video instructions and step-by-step guides, you'll never feel limited in your routine. The ability to customize sets, representatives, and rest periods puts you firmly in control of your workout intensity. For those who appreciate guidance and motivation, Gain Fitness offers in-workout voice coaching. This feature helps ensure proper form and maintains your momentum, proving particularly helpful for solo training sessions. The app meticulously tracks your progress through comprehensive analytics, providing valuable insights into your performance trends and identifying areas for improvement. Time-crunched individuals will appreciate Gain Fitness support for time-efficient workouts, including high-intensity interval training (HIIT) sessions designed to deliver maximum results in just 20 to 30 minutes. Seamless integration with popular wearables like Fitbit and Apple Watch further enhances tracking accuracy and user convenience. Navigating the app is a breeze thanks to its sleek and intuitive interface. Even beginners will find it easy to use. Considering the quality and depth of content, the subscription price offers excellent value. In conclusion, Gain Fitness excels as a well-rounded fitness app, seamlessly blending customization, expert guidance, and intelligent adaptability. Whether you prefer working out at home, in the gym, or on the go, Gain Fitness equips you with everything you need to stay consistent and achieve your fitness goals. Use the links below to download the app and take your fitness journey to the next level.